Hi there, welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, thanks for joining. I have to apologize for being so late on my video. I just put out my back. I overdid it on my barbecue video 2 weeks ago, and I just had to take some time to recover. But I'm back in action, and after this video, I should be finished on the next one. So I need to finish this project up. So let's get going. And this one is on 3 DIYs. And the first one is this cute little fireplace that I got from Walmart. So I'm going to put the link in the description below. And I thought, if you don't have a fire pit, you can do a cute little DIY with this. There's no heat, but you get the nice little ambiance. Instead of just putting it out on your little table or side table that you have out in your patio or backyard or under the gazebo, let me show you how I made this so adorable. So let's jump into it and let's get DIYing. So this Walmart is a heatless lantern, and it runs on USB and it's 2C batteries. Took the Dollar shelves and I thought, let's make this fireplace fancy. And so what I did was I ripped off the top. You know, I noticed that it was able to come off, but you're going to break it. If you're going to want to do this, you're going to be cracking the joints inside. I always like to take the little brackets off because I do feel it makes the shelves more able to join together. I always find these wooden blocks, I know in the States you may not have a dollarama, but if these wooden blocks, they come in very handy. They're so nice and clean. They have a nice shine to them, and all these shapes, they come in very handy. But if you don't have them, you could use the Jenga blocks, tumbler block, anything that will give you the shape of pillars, it will do. I left the little piece at the top white. It's going to be covered by the lantern. It didn't have to be perfect at the top. And this is the first time I'm using this T7000. I got it on Temu. It's black glue, so I'm hoping it's going to be as strong as E6000. So I'll let you know. Dollar Tree has these planks now in different sizes. Looking to get the flat surface at the top, and you'll see pretty soon what I'm doing here. Yeah, I always come up with one more thing, because when I was looking at it from the front of it, you can see the gap in between the side wall and the pillars, and I wanted to extend the pillar a little bit as well. And that's why, because I wanted to put this for outdoor, give it that brick look. You can leave it with the wood and paint it, leave it natural, whatever you want to do. I decided to get a brick look. So if you are looking for that as well, this is from Dollar Tree, if you recognize it. I have another one of this lantern, and I think I want to do one for Christmas for indoors with the white shelves. What do you think? So if you made it this far in the video, hope you'll stay to the end and let me know in the comments which one you like. It would really help my channel. I'm trying to get to 500, so hope you'll help me get there, and I hope you'll consider subscribing and join the circle of rose all day. Now let's get back into the video. Now these shapes with these toys, don't let the toy aisle fool you. There's things there that you could use, and I've had these in my stash for a while, and I knew I was going to be able to do something with these. Now they come in different colors as well, these vases. And this, you just need the lights. You always want to try to salvage things. You never know when you need them. So this one had that lip that joins the two together, and it cut off pretty easy. That means I'm going to spray paint them. Now the outdoor Mod Podge, if you got it, it's only because I have it for another project, and it is pretty thick. So I added some water, and plus I do want to make it very translucent so that the solar light comes through. So I'm trying to get it to a runny consistency. And I like the combination of these two glitters. For me, they just work out well. One is a little bit grayer and the other one is the shiny one. So it gives a good glitter with a good coverage. Maybe you have your own favorite that you like. You could do color glitter if you like. These champagne from Dollar Tree party aisle, they stick on very well, and I didn't glue it obviously. If you need to access to shut them off for winter or whatever, you just push them on there and they're on. Now the height of the base is too high, so I just wanted to shorten it. And they have this part inside that fit very well once you cut it off. And there you go. I saw these wine decanters at Dollarama. They were only $5. And I thought, I know that I can do a couple of different DIYs with these. So wait to see what I'm going to do with this one. I grabbed an extra one. So hope you ring that bell, because wait till you see what I'm going to do with the other one. So let's get into it. I think for $5 this decanter was a good price. And I thought this was going to be a great DIY to do. This acrylic bowl is gorgeous. Now I've got my stone spray, but it is recommended for indoor. So I did it this way and put it with the baking soda. And that's from the other Dollar Tree solar lights, so I took it from there. It'll help it with the height in the bottle. Now I also added E6000 to the rim of the light and the bottle. I didn't realize it was going to show that much. I cut a piece of this little box. It almost is very close to the color, but I ended up painting and the same color, which you'll see at the end. So that's it, guys. The finale will be next week. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.